Hello everyone, we are Sentinel Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about the latest advancements in livestock monitoring technology. Gone are the days when farmers had to keep a constant eye on their herds to make sure everything was running smoothly. With livestock monitoring technology, farmers can now keep track of their animals' health and behavior in real time. These sensors can collect a wide range of data, from cows' body temperature to number of steps they take in a day, to their feed intake. All of the information is then sent to computer system where it can be analyzed and used to make informed decisions about the health and well-being of the animals. In farmers' perspective, there can be a question. We asked the farmers. He stated that before they started using the technology, it was really difficult to keep track of all their cows. They had to spend hours each day checking on them and making sure they were healthy. Now they can see all the data in one place and they know the right way to use them if there is a problem. So, but it is not just keeping the animal healthy. This technology can also help farmers increase their productivity and profitability by tracking things like feed intake and active levels. Farmers can adjust their feeding schedule and identify cows that may be ready for breeding. And it is not just one cow either. This technology can be used for all kind of livestock, from pigs to chicken. In fact, some farmers are even using it to monitor their bees. So there you have it, the latest in livestock monitoring technology. As farmers continue to become more high-tech, we can expect to see even more innovations that make our lives easier and our animals healthier. This can be applicable to all kind of modern farmings, include cows, chicken, include bees, as well as their crops, and monitoring their stocks. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in next video. Till then, take care.